Hi everyone, today we will talk about how to fix or how to solve Facebook keeps loading. To know how to fix Facebook keep loading, you should just go to settings like this. We will click. After that, in this page you will go to apps, default apps, app settings. When you will see this list, you will go down to find the application of Facebook and you will enter. Then in this page you will click force stop. After that you will go to click storage. Then you will go to click here clear cache. After that you will enter to and you will click here clear data, and then you can turn off your Wi-Fi. So please don't forget to support us by like and subscribe. See you next time in another video.